What's up guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of some of the best wallpapers for the depth effect on your OxygenOS 16. And this will be a special video where I'm giving away coupons worth 18,000 for a Techibee family members. And I'll be placing those coupon codes in between the video. So this will be first come first served. In total there will be 15 codes. Just pause the video and use the coupon code. So I found an amazing application which consists of some amazing wallpaper guys. And these are the perfect wallpapers to apply it on your OnePlus smartphones and use the depth effect feature, which will give your device a unique look. You can see I have downloaded few of them. These downloaded wallpapers, I'll provide the G Drive link, but the application which I'm talking about, and that's called Walverse. And this application is from our YouTube friend. You just have to download this application, use the coupon code and get the premium access. If you take a look at the lifetime pricing of this application, it's 1,200. And if you apply 1,200 into 15, the costing comes up to 18,000 rupees. You just need to use the coupon over here and you are good to go. You just select the lifetime option, tap on continue, and you'll get an option to redeem the code. And whoever redeems the code will get the free access of Walverse Pro application. Here you can see there are few categories: free, premium and trending. And now this application also has gaming category. So if you are the one who loves gaming wallpapers, those wallpapers can also be downloaded. So I'll show you a few of the wallpapers and we'll apply the depth effect. After that, the lock screen looks really beautiful. And you can download the wallpapers if you want. You can also edit. Tapping on save will save the wallpaper inside the internal storage. So here you can see I've selected this wallpaper, and for this, the clock style which appears towards the top side suits really well. And for example, if you guys don't see the depth effect in action, what you can do, just drag the wallpaper towards the bottom side. OnePlus AI automatically fills the area above the wallpaper, and this way you can get the depth effect. So this is one of my favorite wallpaper which I use, and once I apply, I'll show you the transition, how beautifully it looks whenever I unlock the device. It gives that 3D vibe. Then for the never settle, I do have another wallpaper where the racing car pops forward while the mountain and fairy sunset fades between into cinematic layers. And here also you can try zooming in the wallpaper and get that depth effect. If you don't want that depth effect, you can use the wallpaper as it is, and you can see how beautiful it looks on the lock screen. Then another wallpaper which you can use for the never settle category, and that's this one, which has this neon lit hillside city cap. And here you can get the proper depth effect. For the chase the lights, I do have another wallpaper which suits perfect, and that's this one, in which warriors charging through fairy kiosk in bold cinematic style. Tapping on apply, you can see this is how it looks. If you want the depth effect, just decrease the clock size. And for the same category, there's another wallpaper which you can set, and that's this one. So I'll tap on apply. So here also you can see you get a proper depth effect and it looks really good. There's another wallpaper which I wanted to show you guys for the never settle category, and that's this floating island with cozy cabin. Just tap on apply, and you can also generate the text over here using OnePlus AI. Depending on the wallpaper, the text will be generated. So here you can see it says Sky Home. You can slightly zoom in, and this also looks really good on the lock screen. You also have some wallpapers from BGMI under game category. You can also see we have options to download up to 4K. Once you download, and later on you can use the specific category. So I'll use this one, change the wallpaper, tap on apply, and there we go. Slightly zooming in will give that depth effect too. And this is how it looks on the lock screen. So guys, I wanted to show you guys this beautiful application for some amazing wallpapers. And if you manage to use the coupon code first, do let us know in the comment section below so that people don't feel it's a fake giveaway. And also download this application and rate on the Play Store. In future, I'll get you guys more coupon codes. So guys, these are some of the wallpapers which you guys can use it on your OnePlus smartphones running OxygenOS 16 with that amazing depth effect. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.